Welcome back to my YouTube channel Exam Master. Today in this video we are going to see the most basic features of MS Excel. Let's start with SL. SL is the rectangular box. You see, this cell is A1, this is A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So a row. Row is a set of cells which are arranged horizontally. So this row is row 1, row 2, row 3 like this. Column. Column is a set of cells which are arranged vertically. So this is column A, column B, column C, column D. Next is name box. Name box is the box, you see this one, which gives you the reference of the cell or selected cells. So this is B1. You see B1. If you select a column, it will be considered as B1 by default. Next is formula bar. Formula bar. This is the formula bar. Formula bar is the place where you can see the content of the cell, where you can edit the cell also. Tabs. These are the tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, which consist of set of commands and features under the headings. Next is status bar. Status bar is this space where it represents the list of features which are turned on. See, if I right click and see, these are the things which we can activate, which we can select. See, I have turned on the basic things like caps lock, number lock, scroll lock, fixed decimal, and this average, count, numerical, minimum, maximum. So if you see, I have turned on the number lock, so it appears here. If I turn on the caps lock, then it will appear here. So likewise, if I select a certain range of cells, you can see the count is 10. If it is a number, if I select this, so here comes the average, count, numerical count, minimum value of the selected range, maximum value, and the sum of the cells. Next thing is entering data. Entering data, there are three ways where you can enter. Either you can select the cell and type directly, or you can double click the cell, you can type, or you can select the cell and go to formula bar and you can type. Then navigation, here this is called horizontal bar, where we can move the sheet horizontally, and here we can move the sheet vertically, or you can just scroll the mouse and you can go vertically. So next, the difference between workbook and worksheet. So this is a workbook. Here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, or you can use this plus icon and you can add the sheets. So this specific sheet is worksheet. This is worksheet 1, 2, 3. So totally it is a workbook which consists of several sheets, worksheets. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to use the comment section.